guys, tara kape. Okay, for today's video, hindi ko alam kung matutuwa kayo dito, matatawa kayo, pero merong post coming from Reddit about credit line. So apparently, this creditor was offered a credit card. So meron siyang payroll account coming from Security Bank, and then tinawagan siya ng Security Bank. Tapos, tinanong siya kung gusto niya mag-apply for a credit card. And umokay siya dito since ang payroll account naman niya ay from Security Bank. Tapos, ine-expect niya na it would take a while para ma-approve yung application niya. Eventually, nagkaroon ng SMS message si Security Bank sa kanya. And ito yung sinabi sa kanya. Oh, ito na yun. Sabi, "Hi, we are delightful to have you as a credit card holder of Security Bank Wave Mastercard. We are pleased to confirm your credit limit of 768 and your cash advance limit of 307.20. Hindi po siya 1,000, ha? Hindi po 2,000. Only 768 pesos. Tatlong digit lang yon, 768 pesos. And ang nakakatawa dito, meron pa siyang cash advance na 300. Meron pa siyang cash advance sa 307.20 pesos. Okay, should you have further inquiries, please call our customer service hotline. Thank you for choosing Security Bank." Parang hindi pa rin makatotohanan na binigay sa yung credit line for a credit card is only less than 1,000 pesos. Tama ba to? Meron na bang naka-experience sa inyo na ganyan, na credit card, 1,000? Kahit yung mga secured credit cards natin ay may minimum na deposit requirement and magbibigay sila ng minimum na credit line. Pero tama ba to? Well, for me sa tingin ko merong dito, may nagkamali. Possible na nagkamali ng pindot. So probably ang credit line dito is around 76,000, nagkulang lang ng 0. Pero sa tingin nyo mako-correct pa ba to if in case na nagkamali nga sila? Well, posible naman, but it would take time. It would take couple of back and forth emails na i-raise pa yan sa case management department nila, so on and so forth, until maka-reach sila ng decision. Pero again, for a credit card na less than 1,000 pesos, anong gagawin nyo dyan? Yun lang muna for today's video. Again, good morning sa inyo.